Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a classic beauty, the 1955 Ford F-1 pickup truck. This iconic truck blends vintage charm with impressive performance. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just appreciate a solid piece of automotive history, this review is for you. So, let's take a look at what makes the 1955 Ford F-1, finished in stunning silver, so special. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold, timeless design. The 1955 Ford F-1 has that classic truck look with a broad, sloping hood and a clean, simple front grille that's easy to fall in love with. Finished in this gleaming silver color, it looks almost as if it rolled out of a time capsule from the past. The chrome bumpers and side trim shine brightly, adding a level of sophistication. The truck sits on some classic steel wheels, keeping the vintage feel alive. And let's not forget the wide fenders and the distinctive tailgate design that makes this truck stand out from the crowd. Moving on to the interior, this is where the 1955 Ford F-1 really brings the old-school feel together. Stepping inside feels like a journey back to the 50s. The dashboard is simple and functional, with large, round gauges that are easy to read. The steering wheel is big and meaty, giving you that classic truck driving experience. The silver interior accents match the exterior paint, providing a cohesive look that ties everything together. The bench seat, covered in original or custom upholstery, offers decent comfort, though this isn't a luxury truck. It's all about function here. You get a real sense of nostalgia, but also a reminder that this truck was built to work. Now, let's talk about the performance of this 1955 Ford F-1. Under the hood, you'll typically find a V8 engine, which was a great power plant for the time. It gives you that perfect balance of power and reliability. While this isn't going to win any drag races, the truck provides smooth cruising and a steady ride. The F-1 also features a manual transmission, which, for some, is part of the whole appeal. It offers that classic driving experience. If you're looking for modern performance, this isn't your truck, but if you're after a vehicle with raw, vintage power, the 1955 F-1 delivers just that. The ride is a bit rough, typical for a truck from the 50s, but it still feels solid on the road. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 1955 Ford F-1 has become a sought-after classic, so expect to pay a premium for this vintage gem. A well-restored model in good condition can range anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 or even more, depending on its condition, modifications, and rarity. Of course, if you're willing to invest some time and money into restoration, you can get one for a bit cheaper, but the price for a fully restored model reflects its status as a piece of automotive history. To sum it up, the 1955 Ford F-1 is a true classic that delivers on both style and performance, even if it's not the most modern truck out there. It's a great option for those who love vintage cars, trucks with character, and an overall nostalgic driving experience. Whether you're taking it for a weekend cruise or adding it to your collection, this silver beauty will always turn heads. So, if you're in the market for a classic truck, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you've had the chance to drive a 1955 Ford F-1 or if you're planning on getting one. See you in the next video.